Welcome to my channel. In just 42 days, these tiny, fragile chicks can become powerful, profit-generating broilers. But here's the truth. Most farmers fail before day 14, not because it's hard, but because they miss the small things that matter most. Today, I'm going to walk you through a proven day-by-day system to raise broiler chickens efficiently, with fast growth, low mortality, and maximum returns. Whether you're starting in your backyard or scaling a small operation, this guide will show you exactly what to do from day 0 to day 42. No guesswork, no confusion, just practical steps that work all the time. Everything begins here, and in your backyard setup, it could look similar to my DIY brooder setup. Day-old chicks are delicate, vulnerable, and completely dependent on you. Before they even arrive, your brooder must be ready. Warm, clean, comfortable. Temperature should sit around 32 to 34 degrees Celsius. Too cold, and they pile up and suffocate. Too hot, and they spread out and weaken. Watch your chicks, they will tell you everything. They communicate through chirping, activity, and body language. Day 1 to day 3, focus on water and starter feed. Add glucose or vitamins to boost energy and reduce stress. By day 5, they should be active, eating well, and evenly spread out. If not, something is wrong. And by day 7, your chicks should have doubled in size. If they haven't, you need to adjust immediately. Here, you can pause or take a screenshot as a general guide. This is where growth starts accelerating. Your job? Maintain consistency. Clean water, fresh feed, proper space, and you will never go wrong. Overcrowding at this stage is a silent killer. It leads to stress, disease, and uneven growth. Lower the temperature slightly and improve ventilation. Fresh air is just as important as feed. By day 14, your birds should be strong, active, and noticeably heavier. This is also the stage where many farmers start losing birds. Why? Poor hygiene. Keep the litter dry. Remove wet spots daily, because moisture breeds disease, and disease kills profit. Here, you can pause or take a screenshot as a general guide. Now the magic begins, and prepare for surprises, even overnight. Your broilers enter a rapid growth phase. Feed intake increases, and so does weight gain. Switch to grower feed if needed. Ensure feeders are always accessible, but never overflowing with waste. At this stage, space becomes critical. Give them room to move, eat, and rest comfortably. Watch for weak birds. Separate them early, or they will slow down the entire flock. By day 21, your chickens should be transforming fast. This is where efficiency shows. Here, you can pause or take a screenshot as a general guide. This phase determines your final profit. Your birds are eating heavily now, so feed management is everything. Avoid waste. Use proper feeders. Feed at consistent times. Water must always be clean and available. A dehydrated bird will never grow properly. Ventilation is critical now. Ammonia buildup from droppings can damage their lungs. If you smell it, it's already too much and you must take action. Don't let the smell problem linger on for a few more days. By day 28 to 35, your birds should be heavy, healthy, and uniform in size. This is the result of doing the basics right, every single day. Here, you can pause or take a screenshot as a general guide. This is the final stretch. Your focus now is maintaining health and preparing for market or deep freezer, if that's your intention. Avoid sudden changes in feed. Reduce stress as much as possible. Handle birds gently. Stress at this stage can reduce meat quality. By day 42, your broilers should be fully grown and ready. This should be exciting for you, and by now your experiences are priceless. Well, congratulations. It doesn't end here, and for you, all I can say is well done. Strong, heavy, profitable. Here, you can pause or take a screenshot as a general guide. Let's keep it simple. Success in broiler farming comes down to 5 things: temperature control, feed quality, clean water, space and ventilation, daily observation. Miss one, and your results suffer. Get all 5 right, and your flock thrives. Backyard farming isn't just about raising chickens. It's about building independence. It's about turning small spaces into reliable sources of food and income. Start small, stay consistent, and improve with every cycle. It is also important to remind yourself of these things as you plan your next cycle. 1. Feed equals 70% of success. Always use quality commercial feed. Avoid sudden feed changes. 2. Clean water always. Dirty water equals disease plus slow growth. 3. Temperature control. Biggest killer in early days. 4. Biosecurity. Limit visitors, disinfect shoes and equipment. 5. Observe daily. Healthy birds. Are they active? Are they eating well? And do they have smooth feathers? If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to this channel for more practical farming guides. And remember, your success starts with what you do today. Thank you for watching.